The throat chakra, known as Vishuddha in Sanskrit, is a powerful energy center. It is the fifth chakra in the human body and is associated with the color blue, symbolizing purity and clarity. This chakra is often depicted as a blue lotus with 16 petals, each representing a different aspect of communication and expression. It sits at the base of your throat, right where your voice box is located. This placement is significant because it highlights the chakra's role in vocal expression and communication. The throat chakra is the bridge between our heart and our mind, allowing us to express our deepest emotions and thoughts. This chakra governs communication, self-expression, and our ability to speak our truth. When it is open and balanced, we can articulate our thoughts and feelings with ease. We feel confident in our ability to express ourselves, whether through speech, writing, or other forms of creative expression. When our throat chakra is balanced, we communicate clearly and authentically. We listen to others with an open heart and mind, fostering deeper connections and understanding. Our words become a powerful tool for healing and transformation, both for ourselves and for those around us. We express ourselves creatively and honestly. Whether we are painting, singing, writing, or engaging in any other form of art, our creativity flows freely. This unimpeded flow of creative energy allows us to share our unique gifts with the world, enriching the lives of others and bringing joy to our own. This chakra is a gateway. It serves as a portal through which our inner world can connect with the outer world. By aligning our throat chakra, we create a harmonious balance between our internal and external experiences, allowing us to live more authentically and purposefully. It allows our inner world to connect with the outer world. This connection is vital for our overall well-being, as it enables us to express our true selves and to be understood by others. When we are in tune with our throat chakra, we can communicate our needs, desires, and boundaries effectively, leading to healthier relationships and a more fulfilling life. When we embrace the power of the throat chakra, we unlock our true voice. This voice is not just about speaking, it is about expressing our authentic self in every aspect of our lives. It is about being true to who we are and sharing that truth with the world. We share our unique gifts with the world. By doing so, we inspire others to do the same, creating a ripple effect of authenticity and creativity. The throat chakra reminds us that our voice matters and that our stories, ideas, and expressions have the power to make a difference. The throat chakra acts as a bridge between our heart and mind. It is the fifth chakra, located at the center of the neck at the level of the throat. This chakra is associated with the color blue and is linked to our ability to communicate and express ourselves. It connects the emotions of the heart chakra with the thoughts of the mind. When this chakra is open and balanced, we can express our true selves without fear or hesitation. We can share our thoughts and feelings openly and honestly. This connection allows us to communicate our feelings with clarity and understanding. It helps us to articulate our emotions and thoughts in a way that others can understand. This clarity in communication is essential for building strong relationships and fostering mutual understanding. When the throat chakra is balanced, we speak with confidence. Our words carry weight and meaning. We are able to convey our ideas and opinions effectively, and others are more likely to listen and respect what we have to say. Our words resonate with truth and authenticity. We are not afraid to speak our minds, and we do so with integrity. This authenticity in our communication helps to build trust and respect with those around us. We can express our needs and desires clearly. Whether we are asking for help, setting boundaries, or sharing our dreams and aspirations, we do so with clarity and confidence. This clear expression of our needs helps us to achieve our goals and live a more fulfilling life. We also listen with compassion and empathy. When our throat chakra is balanced, we are not only good speakers but also good listeners. We are able to truly hear and understand what others are saying, and we respond with kindness and empathy. This balance fosters genuine connections. It allows us to build deep and meaningful relationships based on mutual understanding and respect. We are able to connect with others on a deeper level and form lasting bonds. It allows us to build strong and meaningful relationships. These relationships are built on a foundation of open and honest communication. We are able to share our true selves with others and create connections that are based on authenticity and trust. By nurturing our throat chakra, we step into our power. We become effective communicators. We are able to express ourselves clearly and confidently, and we are able to listen and understand others with compassion and empathy. This balance in our communication helps us to live a more fulfilling and connected life. Find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably. You can sit on a cushion or a chair. Keep your spine straight. Allow your shoulders to relax. Rest your hands gently on your lap. Close your eyes. Take a moment to settle into your body. Let go of any tension. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of each inhale and exhale. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Breathing in, feel your body fill with peace. Breathing out, release any tension. Continue to breathe deeply. With each breath, become more present in your body. Let go of any thoughts or worries. Focus on the present moment. Section 5. Bathing in blue light. Visualizing vibrant energy. Now bring your attention to your throat. Visualize a bright blue light at the base of your throat. This light is vibrant and pure. It is the energy of the throat chakra. See the blue light expanding. It fills your entire throat area. Feel the warmth and energy of this light. Let it soothe and revitalize you. Imagine this blue light as a gentle, flowing river, washing away any tension or blockages. As you breathe in deeply, feel the light becoming brighter and more intense. With each breath, the blue light grows, spreading its calming energy throughout your neck and shoulders. Picture it moving up to your face, relaxing your jaw and easing any tightness. This blue light is not just a visual, it is a sensation, a feeling of peace and clarity. It represents your ability to communicate, to express yourself freely and truthfully. As the light continues to expand, imagine it connecting with your heart, linking your thoughts and emotions. This connection enhances your ability to speak with compassion and understanding. Let this blue light remind you of the power of your voice, the importance of your words. Feel the energy of the throat chakra aligning with your inner truth, empowering you to share your unique perspective with the world. Allow this vibrant energy to flow through you, revitalizing every part of your being. Embrace the serenity and strength it brings, knowing that you are in harmony with yourself and the universe. Section 6. Affirmations. Speaking your truth aloud. As you breathe in the blue light, repeat these affirmations to yourself. I speak my truth with clarity and confidence. I communicate my needs and feelings with love. I am open to hearing and understanding others. Repeat these affirmations slowly and with intention. Feel the power of your words resonating within you. Section 7. Ether and expression. The free flow of thoughts and words. The throat chakra is associated with the element of ether. Ether represents space and freedom. Visualize your thoughts and words flowing freely like the ether. Imagine them moving without judgment or hesitation. Embrace the lightness and ease of clear communication. Section 8. Releasing blocks, letting go of fear and doubt. Are there any fears or doubts that prevent you from speaking your truth? Bring these fears to mind. See them as dark clouds surrounding your throat chakra. As you inhale the blue light, visualize these clouds dissolving. Release any fear or doubt. Make space for clear and authentic expression. Section 9. The symbol of Vishuddha, aligning with the chakra's energy. The Vishuddha Chakra is represented by a 16-petaled lotus flower. In the center of the lotus is a downward-pointing triangle. This triangle symbolizes the element of ether. Visualize this symbol at your throat. See it spinning freely, radiating blue energy. Feel yourself aligning with this energy. Section 10. Emerging from meditation, carrying clarity into daily life. Gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. Feel the stillness within you. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry the clarity and peace of this meditation with you throughout your day. Speak your truth with love. Listen with an open heart. Section 11. Embrace your authentic voice. Speak your truth with love. Remember that your voice matters. Your words have power. By nurturing your throat chakra, you unlock your authentic voice. You share your unique gifts with the world. Continue to practice this meditation. Embrace the power of your voice. Speak your truth with love and clarity.